Welcome to your CCPS Science Review Lab. Take a look at the image below. How do you know that a chemical change is occurring? Well, first, let's identify what we see here. We have fire and we have wood. We know that heat is coming from the change, right? And we know that if we look at that wood, it doesn't stay wood. It changes and turns into ash. We also know that when it's burning, we see smoke, right? So we know that a change that produces a new substance is called a chemical change, right? We've got heat coming from it and a new substance is produced. We know that that's a chemical change. So, how does temperature impact a chemical change? Well, let's think about this. If I'm baking cookies and I mix everything together, what happens in a 400-degree oven versus a 200-degree oven? Well, we know in the oven that's hotter, the change is going to occur more quickly, right? The cookies are going to bake quicker. So we know that the higher the temperature, the more accelerated the chemical changes. The same would go for roasting marshmallows. If you take your marshmallow and you put it over a teeny tiny fire that's just kind of warm, versus a raging fire, right, where that temperature is way hotter, we know that chemical change of burning or toasting the marshmallow is going to happen much more quickly in the higher temperature. So that same reasoning applies to things like ripening a fruit, rusting a nail, cooking an egg. All of those are everyday examples where we see higher temperature impacting or speeding up a chemical change. Now's a chance to show what you know. Go ahead and read the example about Ashley and her water samples, and then pick out which statement best describes what Ashley should expect to find from her investigation. Good luck!